For those seeking top-notch window glass installation, Sugarland, our team of residential window experts Sugarland is here to provide unparalleled service. We specialize in window glass replacement Sugarland, ensuring your home remains energy efficient and aesthetically pleasing. Our window glass installation services are designed to address any issues promptly, maintaining the integrity of your windows, including slider windows Sugarland. Energy-efficient windows Sugarland are a must for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our energy-efficient windows are designed to keep your home insulated, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. With our window insulation services Sugarland, you can enjoy a more comfortable living environment year-round, especially when upgrading to slider windows Sugarland. When it comes to window frame replacement Sugarland, our experts are equipped to handle any project, big or small. We offer comprehensive window frame replacement services to ensure your windows are secure and functional. Our team is dedicated to providing the best window frame replacement solutions in Sugarland, including those designed for slider windows Sugarland. For those interested in custom window solutions Sugarland, we offer a wide range of options to suit your unique style and needs. Our custom window solutions are tailored to enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. Whether you need a specific design or size, our team can create the perfect custom window solutions, including slider windows Sugarland. Window seal installation Sugarland is essential for maintaining the efficiency and longevity of your windows. Our window seal installation services are designed to fix any leaks or drafts, ensuring your windows are properly sealed. Trust our experts for reliable window seal installation in Sugarland, especially for slider windows Sugarland. If you're in need of sliding window installation Sugarland, our team is here to help. We specialize in sliding window installation services, ensuring your windows operate smoothly and efficiently. Our sliding window installation experts in Sugarland are committed to providing top-quality service for all types of windows, including slider windows Sugarland. Vinyl window replacement Sugarland is a popular choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. Our vinyl window replacement services offer durability, energy efficiency, and a modern look. Trust our team for expert vinyl window replacement in Sugarland, with options that perfectly complement slider windows Sugarland. Our window hardware replacement Sugarland services ensure your windows function properly and securely. We offer a wide range of window hardware replacement options to suit your needs. Our team is dedicated to providing the best window hardware replacement services in Sugarland, including specialized hardware for slider windows Sugarland. Window leak installation Sugarland is crucial for preventing water damage and maintaining the integrity of your home. Our window leak installation services are designed to address any issues quickly and effectively. Trust our experts for reliable window leak installation in Sugarland, including services for slider windows Sugarland. For those seeking window screen installation Sugarland, our team offers professional services to enhance your home's comfort and security. Our window screen installation services are designed to keep pests out while allowing fresh air in. Trust our experts for top-quality window screen installation in Sugarland, customized for slider windows Sugarland. Window weatherproofing Sugarland is essential for protecting your home from the elements. Our window weatherproofing services are designed to keep your home insulated and protected from harsh weather conditions. Trust our experts for reliable window weatherproofing in Sugarland, particularly for slider windows Sugarland. For top-notch slider window installation in Sugarland, trust our team of residential window experts. We specialize in energy-efficient windows and offer comprehensive window frame replacement services. Our double-pane windows are designed to enhance your home's insulation, ensuring comfort and reduced energy bills. Choose our vinyl window replacement services for a durable and stylish upgrade to your home, along with expertly installed slider windows Sugarland. Our custom window solutions in Sugarland cater to your unique needs, providing personalized window design consultation and window style consultation. Whether you need window glass installation or window glass replacement, our window installation experts are here to help. We also offer window seal installation and sliding window installation to maintain the integrity of your home, with tailored options for slider windows. Sugarland. Enhance your home's efficiency with our window insulation services in Sugarland. Our window weatherproofing and window caulking services ensure your windows are sealed against the elements. For those in need of window hardware replacement or window sash replacement, our team provides reliable solutions. We also offer window trim installation and window screen installation to complete your home upgrades, including slider windows. Sugarland. Our window maintenance services in Sugarland include window leak installation and window replacement warranty options, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Trust our expertise in window design consultation and window style consultation to find the perfect fit for your home. With our residential window experts, you can expect quality service and lasting results for every window, including slider windows. Sugarland. For those in Sugarland seeking window glass installation or window glass replacement, our team is ready to assist. We provide comprehensive window maintenance services, including window leak installation and window caulking services. Our window installation experts ensure a seamless process, backed by a window replacement warranty for peace of mind. This also applies to our professional installation of slider windows. Sugarland. Choose our window insulation services in Sugarland for enhanced energy efficiency. Our window weatherproofing and window caulking services protect your home from drafts and moisture. With our window hardware replacement and window sash replacement services, your windows will function smoothly and look great. Trust our residential window experts for all your window needs in Sugarland, especially when it comes to slider windows. Sugarland.